Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy J Spence, and this is J Spence TV. Welcome back, everyone. All my viewers, subscribers, welcome back. So today I got an unboxing, install, and a partial review of a new package that I did just receive, and here it is. So yeah, let me unbox it and I'll show you what it is. I really don't feel like using my tripod right now, so I'm just gonna put the camera down, unbox it, and then I'll show you what I have. So I went ahead and ordered the IDoing radio for the 15, the WRX. I opted to where I got the reverse camera to display on the head unit, as well as Apple CarPlay. So let me unbox this second box, and I'll show you the wiring, the unit itself. Then we're gonna get it installed. Check this out, the nitty and gritty. Let's get this started. So we got one of the harnesses for the antenna, and don't know. Got another harness. I'm just gonna figure this out too. Shit, I don't even know what the fuck this is, but something else. Another harness. Oh no, this is for a USB. I guess I'm guessing from an iPhone or Android, just plug and play. Another harness. Another harness. GPS antenna. And an empty bag. A warranty card, but no instructions. So I guess I'm gonna have to wing it. But let me show you the head unit itself. It's a 10-inch, I believe. It's the back of it. Side. Looks good. Can't wait to get it installed because factory head unit, it ain't doing it for me. So let's get to it. More than likely, since like I said, I don't have my tripod, I'm probably just gonna do a little step-by-step. Once I do one step, I'll record it. Or once I do a step, I record the aftermath of it and just keep going from there. But stay tuned and just follow my lead. Now here is an update. So yeah, this is a mess. So far I got a lot of it done. I'm almost done. It's just this is more tedious than I thought, especially trying to rewire the reverse camera. But yeah, I'm almost done. Yeah, once it's done, I'll just show you, and I'll talk about what I did, because this is not the easiest, nor is it the hardest, but it's complex but easy. I know it doesn't make sense, it kind of contradicted itself, but yeah, that's how it goes. And we are back, guys. This is the finished product, finally. Initially I thought it was going to take about maybe an hour, more or less. And this is 3 hours later. So yeah, it looks good, you know. And then, you know, yeah, it's really great. But let me tell you about it. So okay, I'm back and I'm finished with the radio install. It was quite the process, you know. I looked on YouTube and I was trying to figure out how people did it, but a lot of people had the Harman Kardon, or however you say it, that kind of system. So no one really had the base radio. So I tried to figure out everything that I need to do. Like, for instance, it said there's 2 bolts on the side. There is none because this is a 15, which I didn't know that. So after that, I went ahead and put out the stock radio, and then disconnected all the wires. And as for the kit itself, all those harnesses, you know, I thought they were going to plug into the factory harness, but that wasn't the case. I ended up not using even half of the harnesses that came in the box, because you know they had some for our subs and aftermarket speakers and all that. They had some for 4G, 2 USBs, and all this other stuff, which I didn't need. And then as for the reverse camera, since I had the base radio, the car doesn't really show it. It shows on the small little screen right there. So I actually got in contact with IDoing, and they were able to respond to me relatively fast, like within 2 minutes fast. And he asked me a few questions, and I responded, and then he actually sent me a video on the wiring, how to connect the aftermarket head unit to the stock reverse camera. Plug and play, no issues, and it was great. As for Apple CarPlay, it's wireless and wired. I prefer wired, so I went ahead and took out the cigarette lighter and I just pulled it through. Just like my other IS300 that I had, I actually converted that to a USB outlet as opposed to a cigarette lighter. So later on I will be doing that. Yeah, the only issue that I came in contact with was these buttons right here. Now it's like broken or stuck. It came apart while I was trying to take it apart. So it's broken now, so that's gonna get replaced. Like I said, it's relatively simple. It's just without instructions, you're kind of doing it by yourself. You're winging it, and that's pretty much what I did for the most part. You know, and then I realized, like, oh, this is easy. I could do this in about an hour and a half, but without the instructions or some kind of guidance, I was just going through it. Even with YouTube videos, you know, a lot of them weren't showing me what I needed to know. Like trying to find those 2 bolts on the side, I was looking for those for about 30 minutes just to find out I don't have those. Everything else was fairly simple. So yeah, let me turn it on for you and we can just go through the actual head unit itself. Close the sunroof so you can get some lighting. So I went ahead and I've already programmed the volume buttons. It's actually simple. The microphone is right there. You know, everything else is pretty fine. You know, I got radio.
Dices tú, no me dejó nada. Vino a tu vida por algo.
So I don't even know what the fuck I'm listening to on the radio. Apple CarPlay. Just go home. Go to little apps thing and CarPlay. I mean, I don't have my phone connected right now, but it works. What else? Home. Navigation. I'm really not gonna use that. I got Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth. You got your equalizer. Home. I don't know what this button is. Got no videos, but hey, I got file folders just in case. Where's all these apps? So you got Google Chrome, Gallery, Google Maps, Music Player, Play Store, YouTube. So yeah, I'm definitely not disappointed with this unit. I actually turned the audio up a little bit and it sounds great. Yeah, so this is it. I highly recommend this as well, but the access port I still recommend better as a better choice as a first mod. And with that being said, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. And always, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.